Hey guys, welcome back to Fix It Philip. Thanks for watching. Today we have a 2003 Toyota Tacoma 3.4 liter V6, four-wheel drive, manual trans. I'm doing 3 videos on this truck, 3 different repairs. For this video we are doing rack and pinion bushings, and I'll show you why. Okay, well here's the rack and pinion here. I'm going to start the vehicle and turn it from left to right, and I'll show you guys what's going on. So as you can see, the whole rack is shifting back and forth. There's supposed to be a rubber bushing in here that's completely gone. So yeah, look at this. If I shake the tire back and forth, that's bad. So we'll take off this cap here, this little half moon retainer, and we'll put the new bushing in there. Okay, so we got a nut here on top. We'll just spray some PB Blaster for the rust. Then we have a bolt down here. Okay, so for today we're just going to do the passenger side bushing, but if you need to replace the rest of them, there's this kit, got it from Napa. It's a 650-4124, comes with everything, but this is the one that we're just replacing today. That just slides over. There's a little slit right here. It just sits right there. We can slide this bracket back over. We can tighten these back up. Okay. So you can see now, if I move the tires from side to side, that the whole rack and pinion is not shifting back and forth anymore. So that takes care of that problem. Okay guys, that's it. It's just a quick video. So if you have any kind of clunking issues when you steer or loose steering, make sure to check your rack and pinion bushings. Obviously this is just one out of 3 different spots where they can be bad. The other ones are okay on the other 2 bushings, but this one obviously was completely gone. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below, and remember, with Fix It Philip, you can fix it. I'll see you next time.